Hello people, today we're opening a pack of FIFA 14. I'm not going to look. We're opening a couple of packs today. Not going to look again. Did I get anyone good? Why are they all crap? Oh my god. Every single thing, I'm not going to look. Oh, I guess Benzema's alright. I mean, he can't be too bad. Probably put Benzema on my team. Oh, look. Gerrard's quite expensive. He's quite rare in a pack, I've heard. Kaka's gay. Kaka in your mum's pants. Oh, close my eyes again. Oh, that was like the shittest pack ever. I guess Seto's okay. Gomez, wow. Okay, again. Close my eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god, I've got to go. Oh my fucking god. We just got Messi in a pack. Thank you for watching.